In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the base currency in Freshbooks. If you've been using Freshbooks and you need to adjust your account settings to reflect a different base currency, this tutorial is just for you. We'll walk through the steps together to ensure your transitions between currencies are smooth and stress-free. To begin, you'll want to log into your Freshbooks account and head straight to the Settings menu. Accessing the Settings menu is typically your first stop when making adjustments to your account preferences, as it houses all the essential configurations and options you might need. This is your control center for managing various features of your Freshbooks account. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Basic Information and Tax and Financial Information sections. Depending on your specific version of Freshbooks, this might also appear as a business or account settings area. So don't worry if the terminology isn't exactly the same. Just aim for the section focused on your business details and financial settings. It's crucial to explore these areas if you're adjusting settings like the base currency, since they encompass the core aspects of how your financial data is reflected and managed. Once you're in the right area, locate the Currency and Language option. This is where you'll find the settings related to monetary values and language preferences, allowing you to tailor these elements to your business's specific needs. By finding the currency option, you ensure that any financial documents and transactions align with your preferred currency. After you've found the currency and language settings, you will then use the drop-down menu to select your new base currency. The drop-down menu should provide a list of available currencies, enabling you to choose the one that best fits your business requirements or new operational locale. Be mindful of your selection here, as this will serve as the default currency for your account moving forward. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This is a vital step to ensure your new settings are applied correctly. By saving, you're confirming the currency that will be used for all new invoices, estimates, and proposals from this point onward. It's always good practice to double-check your settings after making changes to verify that everything is functioning as expected. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed the base currency in your Freshbooks account. This adjustment aids in keeping your financial transactions in line with your business needs and operational changes. If you ever need to adjust this setting again in the future, you now have the knowledge to do so with ease. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further clarification.